We're back again. Today we're going to be putting a M3 bumper on a facelift BMW E46.
What's up guys, I'm Carson. This is my 2004 325xi. We'll be doing, on the facelift version, we're going to be doing an M3 front bumper, lip, and a splitter.
The splitter came from my race car. I took it off when I built my new one out of Alumilite. Carson's not too worried about weight, so we'll be putting this on his car, make it look cool, and we'll go from there. So we'll go through all the parts and everything we'll need to get this project done.
These are all the parts I had to get. This bumper, I got it off eBay. It's just a basic M3 front bumper. Then I got the lip to match the bumper. Then we got his old splitter from his race car. Then we've got these brackets here because these brackets will help guide this bumper into place because it's a facelift. So you have to buy these brackets because it's different. Got those from ECS Tuning. We'll have a link down in the description. Then we've got all our hardware over here that we bought from Home Depot. And then we got the fog lights that came with the bumper. Those are included on the eBay bumper. That's it. All we've got to do is we got to just cut this flat because the splitter won't sit flush. So we have to cut this just a little bit flatter than this part, just so it's completely flat. That way the splitter can attach on. Okay, so we're using a Scotch-Brite pad just so we get all the grease off the bumper, just to make sure it's prepped for the paint. So over here we've covered my car just for overspray, just so it doesn't get on the car. And we've got two sawhorses there to put the bumper on, as we used before, and we laid out some paper just so we don't get overspray on the floor. Here's all our paint stuff. So we've got the adhesion promoter, which we will spray on first onto the bumper and the lip here. Then we've got our base coat that goes onto the bumper and lip as well. Then we have the clear coat that just goes on the lip, just this here. Then we've got the paint that actually will paint match to the car, which is black sapphire metallic for BMW. Then we've got regular paint for the splitter. This is just to kind of cover up all the scratch marks because it is an old splitter. And then we've got 2K paint here. We're probably gonna have to wait about 3 weeks to a month to put this on, but this is just the final clear coat to protect the paint. Search, but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take I actually really like the way it turned out. I like the way it looks with the facelift. I do like the regular non-facelift, but I think it looks really good. I think it came out like a lot better than I thought it even would, so.
Yeah, there's a lot of controversy. There's a lot of people that are like, yeah, no facelift with the M3 bumper, but personally, I think it turned out great. It actually reminds me of my old 1 Series that I used to own.